All right, what I'm doing here with I did it with the coffee tabletop, and I'm doing it with now this entryway tabletop. Getting ready to stain this thing dark walnut, both of them. For the two tables I'm building, I'm using the pre-stained Minwax. Give it a coat of pre-stain, let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back with the dark walnut stain over these tops here. All right, this is the larger. This is the coffee tabletop. I'm doing the same process here with the pre-stain Minwax pre-stain, completely covering it with a chip brush. Just brings out all the highlights in the wood, and it keeps the stain from blotching up when you apply it to the wood. So I'm doing this on both the coffee table and that entryway table I've already done on that one. All right, now comes the messy part. Got my dark walnut Minwax oil-based stain here. Got my two rags ready to get this thing stained. I've got pre-stain on the top of it, but on the bottom I'm going to also stain the bottoms as well. I don't have any pre-stain on them because nobody sees this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stain it first. Then I'll flip it and stain the top on both tables. This one's the narrow, the easier the one to pick up. So I'm going to go ahead and do it first and get it going. All right, so here I'm applying the stain with a rag. I have two rags. Of course, I cut in half. I have one to apply the stain with and one to go back and wipe the excessive stain off with. So I'm giving it a good soaking here pretty much with the dark walnut stain. This is the entryway table here. It goes with the coffee table. But I'm applying it pretty thick here, and then I'll go back and I'll wipe it with the wipe rag. All right, and here is the top view of the coffee table itself, which is a lot larger of a table. If you notice the stripes that go down with stain, those are where the table 2x6 is joined together, and I use a chip brush to get in between those cracks, and that's why you see the stripes there, and I wipe over it. The chip brush helps it soak down into the cracks a little bit better, so I'm just to help protect it in the crack area. And then here I'm wiping it off with the wipe rag now. I've completely stained the whole top and the sides and the bottom, so I'm wiping it down now, and I will get ready to put some polyurethane, several coats on it a little bit later on. All right, this is what it looks like completed on both of them. I haven't put polyurethane on them yet, but this is after the staining, and I placed the tabletops back on the frames. And time for polyurethane.